Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita 40V max cordless combination hammer HR003GM201. Excellent tool balance for easy handling and control. Anti-vibration technology for extremely low vibration. High power similar to the HR003GZ series. 3-mode operation for rotation only, hammering with rotation, or hammering only. One-touch sliding chuck enables quick and easy beat changes. Variable speed trigger allows operator to adjust speed based on materials or application. Constant speed control automatically applies additional power to the motor to maintain speed under load. Please like, subscribe if you find this video helps.